Hello everyone, this is Mary Magdalene with Who is Mary Magdalene. Pardon my appearance today, I'm a little rough, but I am still in the process of packing and I'm trying to get ready for the move-in truck that will be coming on June 10th to pick up all of our belongings to move it to our final destination. I just wanted to come on and just, talk with you guys. I guess this segment would be moving on. I don't know honestly how I really feel about this. I had a moment today where I got really overwhelmed. We got a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff. And I don't think you really know how much stuff you truly have until it's time to move. That's what everybody says, but that saying is really true. I'm like literally sitting here like we got a lot of stuff. Like literally, I'm not just moving a family of 4. I'm still even in the process of still moving things that belong to my husband. So I am literally packing up a house that is a family of 5 because his things are still here. And even though I got rid of a lot of his stuff, I was able to bless a lot of people, a lot of men with some wonderful items. Kennedy Collins, get off of that. Don't step on that like that. That's not nice. Pardon me. He still had a lot of stuff. So now I am trying to condense everything. I'm trying to get rid of a lot of the stuff that he had, a lot of the stuff that the kids had, stuff that we're not using, stuff that we're not going to be using. We are going to a house that is the same 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but not as big because it's not upstairs, downstairs. It's just 1 floor. Thank you, Lord, for that. So it's just a lot. And, I'm sitting up here and I'm packing and I'm getting everything together. And my wonderful sisters were with me today I'm sorry, y'all. Case is eating and not taking his time with his food. So pardon me. Stop, Papa. Don't do that. Eat it and eat it right. Don't stuff your mouth. Give mommy. I apologize, y'all. Give me one moment. Here. So we have a donation pickup that is actually coming to pick up a lot of the stuff on Tuesday. I'm condensing what will actually go with us and what won't. So trying to do that. Kennedy Collins has a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Yeah, kind of her mother's fault. She has a lot of stuff. Like I'm literally going through her stuff and I think that's where I got overwhelmed and I had a meltdown because my sister was here and she's yelling at me and, that wonderful older sister moment. And she's just like, you need to throw away. Like there's no other way of saying it. Throw it away. And I'm just like, oh my God. Like I literally have to get rid of a lot of this stuff. You say hello to everybody.
Hello, everyone.
Say hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. Say we're on a journey. Hello. Say hello, Kennedy Collins.
Hello, everyone.
Okay. So now it's going through everything, trying to get Cam's room situated, trying to get Case's stuff situated. Still, of course, trying to get rid of my husband's stuff. Trying to get rid of my stuff that I've accumulated. I have a lot of clothes. I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff, but it's just so much stuff everywhere. So continue to follow us on this journey. I will come back with you guys once we've gotten to a better place of packing. Talk to you guys soon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and continue to follow us as we make this move. Blessings.